Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to unblock your GTBank ATM card in 2025. If you've ever been stuck with a blocked card, you know how frustrating it can be, whether it's from too many wrong PIN attempts or some other glitch. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and easily, so you can get back to using your card in no time. First things first, let's understand why your card might be blocked. In 2025, GTBank has updated their security protocols, so common reasons include multiple incorrect PIN entries, suspicious activity, or even a forgotten PIN. The good news is, unblocking it is straightforward with a few simple methods. Step 1. Check your GTBank mobile app. By 2025, the app will have enhanced features, so log in using your credentials. Go to the Card Management section, select your ATM card, and look for an Unblock or Reset PIN option. Follow the prompts. It might require verification via your phone number or email. This is often the fastest way and can be done in under 5 minutes. If that doesn't work, Step 2. Contact GTBank customer service. Dial the helpline, which you can find on the bank's website or the back of your card. Be prepared to provide your account details, like your card number and some ID verification. The representative will guide you through the process and might unblock it remotely. Step 3. Visit a GTBank branch. If you're not comfortable with digital options, head to your nearest branch. Bring your ID, the blocked card, and any other required documents. A teller can assist you in person, and they might even help you reset your PIN on the spot. For prevention, always keep track of your PIN and enable transaction alerts in the app to monitor activity. Remember, in 2025, GTBank might have new biometric options for added security. There you have it. Unblocking your GTBank ATM card is easier than you think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe and see you in the next video.